Developing the next generation of talent remains a priority for agcareers.com. The goal of agcareers.com Classroom Implementation Guide is to educate the next generation of talent going into agriculture and food. This essential resource for advisors, leaders, teachers, and educators helps students prepare for their future while exploring agriculture and food careers. The free classroom kit includes activity sheets, resources, and lesson plans to lead students to career success using the agcareers.com Agriculture and Food Career Guide. To download your free classroom implementation guide, simply go to agcareers.com. Under the Employers tab in the section Products, click Ag and Food Career Guide. Once you are on that screen, click the red Ag Educators Free Classroom Kit button. Here you will select either the Canadian version or the US version of the Classroom Implementation Guide. You can download it by quickly filling out a quick form. Clicking Download. Here you'll see the lesson plans are in PDF or Word format in your downloads, with the answer key being at the end. The agcareers.com Classroom Implementation Guide document outlines how to use the classroom kit and includes all lessons and the answer key. Each of the 17 lessons are also available individually in both PDF and Word document. Key points to highlight about the implementation guide. You will see there are many different activities, including analysis of a career-related article, researching agriculture and food employers, diving into career pathways, and much more. The Agriculture and Food Career Guide serves as a valuable resource for young professionals and students throughout North America exploring careers within the industry. While this resource is designed for students in grades 9 to 12, it is beneficial and inclusive for many grade levels. The implementation guide could even be used as a tool for career guidance counselors, clubs, and even organizations. There's a place for everyone in agriculture and food. Help your students find their place today.